Day 85 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem with your favorite LeetCode page, man. We're still going, we're still motivated, and we're still staying disciplined, guys. I'm thinking about starting a two-day challenge where we do 2 problems a day. Now, I'm not there yet, but I'm thinking about it. Maybe next month or in a couple months, I might do something like that where we could see if we could do 2 every day for a month or something. Not for the rest of the year or anything like that. Just 2 a day for a month or something like that. A little 2-day challenge. Like, when football practice, I never played football, but when the football team practices during the summer, they do 2 a days, something like that. But I'm still thinking about it. I haven't made my mind up yet, but we'll see where that goes. But the moral of the story is we just getting started, guys. I'm not even tired a little bit. I don't feel any type of burnout. We got to stay disciplined and motivated, guys. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to motivate each other and to keep pushing each other to keep learning these LeetCode problems until we get it, until we master it. If we want to master this, it's going to take about 10,000 hours to master something, guys. So just be prepared to put your 10,000 hours in. Get your mind right. Get your mind wrapped around the fact that we're trying to put our 10,000 hours in so we can master this LeetCode and these data structures and algorithms, guys. Don't worry. I'm going to be here. If you here, I'm going to be here, guys. I ain't going nowhere. So I hope you guys are here with me and help, and we can all learn together. But before we get started, you already know, bring your mouse right over here. Click that subscribe button for me, guys. Then after you click that subscribe button, I need all of my bankers out there to go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Then after all of my bankers smash that like button, I need all of my bankers to the comment section right now and drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run this engagement up and we can bring more awareness to the Swift community as a whole and help get this Swift community popping and more people interested in Swift, guys. Now, with all that being said, I know why you're here. And today we have question number 1268, search suggestion system. The difficulty level is medium, but don't worry, you guys know how we do. We're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as possible because we're all trying to learn, and there's no point in coding something that nobody's going to understand, whether you're just practicing for yourself or you're on the job. You don't want to write code that's hard to understand. Now, let's see what the question says. It says you are given an array of strings, products, and a string search word. Design a system that suggests at most 3 product names from the products after each character of search word is typed. Suggested products should have comma prefix with search word. If there are more than 3 products with a comma prefix, return the 3 lexicographical minimum products. Excuse me, guys. Return a list of the suggested products after each character of search word is typed. So what they want us to do basically, don't you know how like you might type something in on Google and it might have a autocomplete, or you might type something in on Word and it's autocomplete. This is basically like an autocomplete function that we're about to write today. And this word right here, lexicographically minimums, basically just means alphabetical order. So just keep that in mind. If there are more than 3 products in the list, we return the top 3 that's in the alphabetical order. So let's look at example 1 so we could really break it down and we could see what they want us to do. We have input, the products. So the products right here, these are the products right here. Mobile, mouse, money pot, monitor, mouse pad, right? Those are the products. The search word is mouse. But remember, with mouse, each character that we type is going to bring up a different 3 products for the autocorrect, right? So when we type in the M, these 3 products coming up first, right? It's going to be mobile, money pot, monitor, because they all start with M. Then when we type in M-O, these 3 products are going to pop up. Again, it's going to be the same 3 products because they all start with M-O. Mobile, money pot, monitor. They all start with M-O, so they're still the same 3 popping up. Now when we type in, now we have typed in M-O and U. Now with the words are switched up. Now there are only 2 words left that could have the M-O-U prefix, the mouse and mouse pad, right? Then we do the M-O-U-S, same 2 words, mouse and mouse pad. And then we type the whole word, where is it right here, mouse. And the same thing gonna come up, mouse and mouse pad, because mouse and mouse pad both have the word mouse in it, then they're both gonna pop up. But explanation said products are sorted lexicographically, basically it's like alphabetical order. Then we have mobile, money pot, monitor, mouse, and mouse pad. After typing M and MO, all products that match show the answers. Mobile, money pot, monitor. And after typing MOU, MOUS, and mouse, the system suggests mouse and mouse pad, right? So let's look at example 2, just in case that didn't really make any sense. So, but in this case, we only have one product, Havana. Search word is Havana. So when we type in H, Havana gonna pop up. When we type in HA, Havana gonna pop up. When we type in HAV, Havana will pop up. When we type in HAVA, Havana will still pop up. When we type in HVAN, Havana will still pop up. And when we type in HAVANA, Havana will pop up. The only word will be always suggested while typing the search word, because that is the only word that we have stored at the moment. So that's the only word that will pop up. So now that we understand the question, because understanding the question is just as important as understanding the code, because you can't write the code if you don't understand the question. And now that we understand the question, let's get into writing some code, right? So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to say let products equal products dot sorted. And what this is going to do is going to put us in alphabetical order for us right there. We're going to keep it simple, remember? And that's going to handle our alphabetical order right there, products dot sorted. Then we're going to declare another variable that's going to be called res. That's going to be called res. We're going to cast that as a 2D array of strings. And we are just going to initialize that, with a blank array. Then we're just going to come down here. We're going to declare another variable called search. And that is just going to be a blank string, guys. So now that we have those declared, let's get into the for loop. We're going to say for char in search word, right? So for each character in search word, char is short for character. So for each character in search word, what we are going to do is, first we're going to say search plus equals string char. So what that is going to do, it's going to append each character in the search word to the search blank string. That is blank right now, but for each character in the search word, we're going to append it character by character into the search string, right? Then we are going to come down here and we are going to say let filtered equal products dot filter. Then we're going to open up the brackets, put the $0. I love the $0, maybe because I love dollar signs. I don't know. But it's just something about the $0 that I like. Say has prefix search. So what that is going to do is it's going to loop through. So this $0 is going to loop through each product in the array, right? And it's going to check each product to see if it has the same prefix as the search word, right? So whatever the search word is, this is going to loop through the products to see which product has the same prefix. Then after we do that, we are going to say if filtered dot count is greater than 3, what we are going to do is we are going to say res dot append array, open up the parentheses, filtered dot, is that how you spell it? Filtered dot prefix 3. So that's going to append the first 3 words with the prefix that we're looking for if there are more words with that, more than 3 words with that prefix. Then otherwise, if there's not more than 3 words with that prefix, we are just going to say res dot append filtered. And then when it's all said and done, guys, we're going to come down here and we are going to return res, guys. And that should be all she wrote. Hope you guys learned something today. That was actually a fun question. We learned how to write the autocomplete. So let me see. We got a typo. Let's delete that right there. Let's run it again. But yeah, we got to learn how to write the autocorrect function. You know, that was fun. That's something we use on a daily basis. We always use autocomplete just about any time we write something, whether we need to learn how to, like, we checking the autocomplete for spelling or we just want to make our typing easier. That's something that we really use on a daily basis. So I think it was a good question, and it's a fun question to actually learn, because who knows, we might need to implement this function one day by ourselves. So, and look at that runtime, guys. 235 milliseconds beats 93.06% of users with Swift, guys. That's what I like to see. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Get one more look at the code. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. Peace.